All information in this video is deemed accurate but is not warranted by the seller, the realtor, the real estate company, or the spokesperson. Buyer is responsible for completing all tasks related to due diligence. Inspections, appraisals, and surveys are recommended.
Feng Shui is a term from ancient China and is a series of techniques used to make one with oneself and the environment, and to reduce one's stress and anxiety. Feng Shui has many different ideas and is mostly about balance, yin-yang if you will. Feng Shui became very popular and even held influence over floor plans when it came to new residents or religious temples and even government buildings. In the late 70s and early 80s, Feng Shui even made its way west and has held influence in some of the buildings we have here today. If you're interested in learning more about Feng Shui and how to apply its principles to your home or your home search, there will be a link somewhere in this video for you to read about it. I'm Lakelin Lemmings with Agent Cody of 7 Lakes Realty, here to show you a cabin home that fits Feng Shui in many ways. This home has several windows and French doors to give that natural light. This cabin is located in a community alongside the Tennessee River. And if you like having your cup of coffee on the porch in the mornings, you're likely to see a neighbor or two on the golf carts. And this house sits northeast, so if you time it right, you'll be able to see the sunrise. While having a cozy feel to it, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,075 square feet of livable space, with a 1.5 story high with main level deck and an upper level deck, and an unfinished basement. So let's check it out. Entering the front door, as you can see, with matching floors and an open floor plan, I would like to direct your eyes to this synthetic stone backsplash. It matches so well with the countertops and makes this home have a unique feel. The living room features these French doors that let in natural light, and they lead off onto the back deck. Now, over here, we'll direct you to a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. If you like to have a view when you sit on the porch, the upper level has that too. It features a front deck a back deck, a bathroom, and French doors to let in that natural light. Agent Cody has another house listed in the same neighborhood. It's a 14 by 65 mobile home that features a front and back deck, a 2-car carport, a shed, and a matching set of black kitchen appliances. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and is listed at $100,000 even. Potentially the best part about this home is that the owner is willing to act as the bank and finance this property for 20% down, 8% interest on a 15-year term, and is listed at $170,000. If you're looking for a unique place to call home, or wanting a vacation home, wanting to downsize, or just getting started, feel free to contact Agent Cody at 731-798-8505 or at agentmilholen@gmail.com.